opening and this is over series 9.
Yay!
It was 5. We got 5.
We have 5.
You know what we're kicking.
Okay.
We got first.
5. Soul, Cars, Zootopia,
It's
Mulan,
tiny.
Pooh's Hufflepuff movie,
Tiny.
Minnie Mouse, Luca, and limited edition.
Sally!
New one.
Sally from Cars!
Oh,
She's new. She's new.
Yeah, behind.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Finally. Oh, cool.
Beep, beep. Because it's a car.
Nice. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Just opening this door.
We got a new one. Man, it's been a long haul.
It's pretty small. Judy Hart.
Judy Hopps.
Judy Hopps.
Oh, we have her.
Yeah, you already have her. Bum, bum,
Oh, we got a new one at least.
Common.
Commons. Oh, we got some bigger boys coming.
Here's our collector's guide. Collector's guide. She's the second one. She's a photo and the from Cars.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice collector's guide.
It's pretty tiny.
It does look tiny.
Minnie Mouse from the 1970s.
From the 1970s.
She's new.
70s. Oh my goodness, she is new. 1970s.
Congratulations.
Woo!
Do you have her?
Yeah.
It's pretty big.
2 new ones.
I wonder.
One repeat.
Uh-oh, I too soon about everything. Here's a book. Recipe, a cat from Luca. Recipe. Hope you pronounce it right.
Oh, we
Oh,
got another one.
Machiavelli.
Machiavelli.
He's rare.
Meow. Woohoo!
Make a noise.
Meow. Meow.
3 new ones.
And so far we did
And that was a rare one, right?
but common 70s million right.
Common.
3 commons and a rare.
Hope you get some.
Another one we don't have.
Just look at it. It looks pretty big.
Pretty
Heavy.
big.
Where it could be. It's... Woo! He's new!
4 new ones.
Oh, he's from Bug's Life. He's a bug.
Woohoo!
Say Merry Christmas. 4 of them.